The transformation of Camp Nou continues to move forward at an impressive pace. From major structural work on the roof and compression ring to progress inside the VIP areas, seating tiers, and exterior facade, significant developments are taking shape across the stadium. Let's take a closer look at the latest construction updates from the future home of FC Barcelona. High above the stadium, construction continues advancing on the compression ring, one of the most important structural components of the future roof. Crews remain focused on preparing additional sections, while heavy lifting operations continue delivering large structural elements into position. Every completed section extends the ring further around the stadium, bringing the roof support system closer to becoming fully connected. Progress may appear gradual, but this remains one of the most technically demanding phases of the entire project. Inside the stadium, work remains fully focused on preparing the future playing surface. Specialized machinery continues processing the existing pitch by removing the upper layer and screening the soil to create the proper foundation for the new natural grass system. Excavators remain active throughout the field, transporting excavated material while crews carefully level and prepare the surface for the next phase of installation. These operations are a critical part of building a high-performance playing surface, ensuring proper drainage, stability, and long-term durability before the new natural grass is finally installed. Inside the VIP areas, construction continues progressing steadily across multiple levels. Crews remain busy completing the interior enclosure, while permanent doors are now visible in several sections. Additional finishing work is taking place around the corridors, balconies, and hospitality spaces as workers prepare these premium areas for future architectural installations. Every update reveals more of the final layout, showing clear progress toward completing one of the stadium's most exclusive sections. Construction activity also remains visible throughout the third-tier interior. Teams continue sealing expansion joints, completing structural finishing, and carrying out detailed surface treatments across different seating sections. Workers are also making adjustments around stairways and access areas, while preparing the upper levels for future finishing works. Although these tasks may appear small individually, together they represent one of the most time-consuming phases of the entire redevelopment. Construction activity continues on the lateral side of Camp Nou, where crews are focused on preparing and filling the ground around the diamond structure. Workers are currently spreading and leveling a fresh layer of concrete over a geotextile base, creating the foundation for the next phase of development. The operation is moving efficiently, with teams carefully distributing and smoothing the concrete while supervisors guide the pumping system. This appears to be only the first layer, with additional materials expected to be added in the coming stages. From a close distance, the coordination between workers and machinery is impressive. Progress remains steady, and another section of the stadium complex is rapidly beginning to take shape. Another noticeable change can be seen around the diamond structure, where the exterior walls have now been plastered and finished. Areas that looked unfinished just a few days ago now appear far more complete. Progress is visible across both the front and side sections, while construction crews continue working inside the building. Ground-level work also remains ongoing, making this one of the last surrounding areas still undergoing major development. Further along the north stand, ceramic cladding installation has advanced rapidly. Most of the panels in this section are already in place, with only a few remaining pieces left to be installed. At the same time, work continues beneath the cantilever, where crews are installing utility pipes. Several sections are already complete, showing steady progress across both the facade and supporting infrastructure. With every passing day, a new chapter of Camp Nou takes shape. The transformation continues, and little by little, the future home of FC Barcelona is becoming a reality.